So I'm going to show you a really awesome eyeshadow application. This is white concealer. It's called Eyelight. Yes, it's white. Don't be intimidated because it's going to show you the best eye. I like to mix it a little bit with my eyeshadow color because it's so creamy. You don't want to use too much. What this is going to do is make my eyeshadow pop. So look. And again, you don't have to be perfect. Put it mostly on the lid. Go ahead and take your fingers, blend it up, blend it up, and blend it up. Right? Take a brush, take some powder, press in the powder. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is like my safe eye, I call it. Okay. What this is going to do is going to bring out whatever eyeshadow application I'm going to have. You see it already? You want to make sure that it's smooth on the eye. Powder again, powder, 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 powder. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my orange, right? And use my orange by the crease. And this eyeshadow application is so quick. Make sure that you've already highlighted under your brows. Well, the reason why you want to use the white is the contrast that it creates, especially when you use colors. So awesome. So you see where I'm using my orange all around to take away the ashiness, but at the same time it's still leaving a really beautiful undertone. I go into my eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use Zim right in the corner. Blend it. Blend it. Look at that. Look at the pigment. Beautiful, right? Okay. Then I'm going to use Mood right at the bottom. Blend it into Zim. Again, Mood right at the bottom. Blend it into Zim. Awesome. Then I'm going to take my mascara, whatever mascara you like. I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara. And there you go. That is the perfect